Making money online is something I enjoy doing. It gives me work hour flexibility, financial stability, and a lot more. In this video, I'll show you how to use a website to start making thousands of dollars online, even if you've never made a dollar before. Now, if you watch the video all the way to the end, you'll learn how to use this website to make more money and how to use it to make more money. I'll also show you some perks and tools that will perform the legwork for you. You don't need to work hard, muscular jobs to supplement your money in the 21st century. The internet can assist you in making a lot of money while working less. This video will show you how to use this innovative strategy to earn more passively, step by step. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. To make money online, we will use a variety of sites. Snappa.com is one of these platforms. This is a website where you may create a number of different designs. These templates can also be used. The best part is that you can do it for no cost at all. As you can see, HubSpot, Shopify, Forbes, Buffer, and SEMrush have all covered them. So it's a large firm to deal with. But don't worry, you won't have to pay anything. Everything is free, and it will benefit you in a variety of ways. The first step is go to snappa.com and click on Get Started for free to sign up, register, and create a free account in under 60 seconds. To sign up, all you have to do is enter your name, email address, password, and check this CAPTCHA right here. Lastly, click on Get Started Free. Step 2 is to go through all of these different templates after you've signed up for free. We'll now concentrate on either a Facebook or an Instagram post. You may select which one to concentrate on, but they're both really similar. You will not be forced to post anything on Facebook or Instagram, nor will you be required to have any followers. Everything will be straightforward and user-friendly. In my case, I'll go to Facebook and click on the post. Take a peek at this page for further information. There are a lot of fantastic templates available. Each of these designs is absolutely free and can be customized to your taste. Colors, fonts, backgrounds, and images can all be changed. You may literally personalize them to fit your preferences. The next step is to visit Yazing, which can be found at yazing.com. This is a site where you may earn money by marketing other people's products. It's essentially an affiliate marketplace where you can look through all of the different offers, receive your affiliate or CPA link, share it with others, and get paid a commission if someone takes action. I'll show you how it works. But first, you must join Yazing by clicking the Join Now button on the right side of the page. You can fill out this information right here on this page or sign in with Facebook. After you've signed up for free, this is what it'll look like. You'll be able to look over all of these offers. And the best part about Yazing is that you don't have to wait to be approved for any of them to acquire a link. Just simply click Promote to earn, and your unique affiliate link will be delivered to you straight away. As you can see, we have the ability to advertise a wide range of deals that pay us different sums of money. For this offer, you will be rewarded with a 40% bonus, and you'll get a 65% commission rate on this one. For example, if we advertise BlockFi, we can earn up to $500 for each individual who signs up for this service. In my case, I'll go with this option. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. So I will choose Promote to Earn, which will provide me with a unique affiliate link that I may share with others. Simply right-click on the symbol and select Copy Link. I went to BlockFi to see how it works, even though it's entirely optional. As you can see, when we refer someone to BlockFi, they can invest their money in this platform and earn a high interest rate of 8.6%. That means that if someone invests $1,000 in this website for a year, they will make $86 free of charge. They will have $860 if they invest $10,000 at the end of the year. They will not have to do anything and will still receive an interest rate of up to 8.6%. Now that you've gotten your affiliate link from your Yazing, it's time to put it to use. You'll go back to Snappa to create a simple design for use in advertising. You can look through all of these templates and choose one that appeals to you. And in my situation, I'm going to go with this one. All you have to do now is personalize this page. You may change everything from the text to the graphics to the colors to make it fit into your offer. There are numerous options available to you right now. I will not accompany you through this procedure because each design will differ depending on the offer you choose. Once you've finished, I'd like you to download this design by clicking the download button right here. Simply ensure that this is appealing enough for individuals to click on your affiliate link. Now, I'll teach you how to put it on Autopilot so you can get traffic on a complete path without having to worry about it. We'll be using adclerks.com as our traffic source. After landing on this page, you will immediately go to categories. And because I offer the BlockFi, I'll go with business and money, as well as for cryptocurrencies. Now, I'm going to promote on all of these other blogs for a minimal charge. You can promote your link by paying 20 cents for this special deal. It will also publicize your link to tens of thousands of individuals. Assume you'll pay 20 cents per person, and you'll all need one person to earn $500. It's completely insane. You will be paid $5,000 if 10 people use your link. Putting everything up will take you significantly less than an hour. All you have to do now is select the website where you want your advertisement to appear. Simply click Add to Cart and go to Checkout. Then, along with your Yazing referral link, also you'll upload the design you created with Snappa. The image will act as your advertisement. You may truly earn hundreds of dollars in a complete autopilot system by following that approach. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.